Okay, it is midnight. My camera is broken, y'all. Like, okay. Hey, y'all. So I just finished my lash appointment. It is midnight. It is 12:02. Might be 12:03 now. I'm about to go home. I need to pack. I leave in the morning. We're driving out at 10 a.m. back down south. So I need to finish packing, finish doing laundry. There's literally no sheets on my bed, so I can't even go to sleep if I wanted to. And I need to take a shower and shave and everything. So, y'all, this inner corner is gonna piss me off. But I'll probably talk to you guys in the morning or when I get home. I don't know. Y'all, something is wrong with my gimbal. Like, it will not. Hello, I'm down here. Good morning, y'all. It is May 14th. It's the day before we leave, but I do need to go down south a day early because my homegirl has a flight a day early. So I'll be taking her to the airport, and I don't mind because I get to see my little shit for me. So it's 9:35, and all I really need to do is I'm gonna fix my edges up, do my face a little bit. I don't even really think I need that on my face because I just took a shower too, so it's really clean. But I'm about to just put my clothes on. I'm just gonna wear some joggers and a tube top. Today's nothing crazy. But I'll be back to y'all once I put my clothes on, and I'm gonna do my face a little bit. Okay, guys. We are finally gonna be on our way back down.
Zone South.
I'm gonna put some gas and stop at Publix real quick. Yep. I love a Rick and Morty rolling train. Like, every rolling train I get has to be Rick and Morty. And so that's so cool. Talk to y'all later. Yeah. Okay, guys, we're gonna take an apartment tour. I'm talking about. I want the one with the high ceilings.
Wow, what you said.
The latest I want is blue. Don't move anymore.
Oh, you caught that when I called.
Like, no matter how many times I click it, it won't rotate anymore. I like the red hair era.
Yeah, I like it.
Guys, A1. I'm not gonna show you guys the apartment, but just know it's very tea. And the area is nice too. And like, I got to tour the actual unit that I want to get. So I think that's more, because a lot of places won't show you your actual unit. Thank you. Perfect.
The location is really good. You have the movie theater.
Hey guys, I don't remember last time we talked, but I dropped off at the airport and then I went to the hotel I was supposed to check into. Luckily, I did not pay for my room in advance. Thank you. I love to pay for a hotel when I get there to make sure everything is correct. So, and I really didn't even want to stay there. I was staying there for one specific reason, but I don't really care anymore because I didn't even want to stay there for real. So I was like, let me find something else. And I found this, and it has like such a cute view and everything too. No balcony. All the balcony rooms were full. I wanted to get a balcony room, but it is what it is. This is still cuter than the other one. And I'm about to just go, I'm outside the mall, so I'm about to go walk around the mall real quick, see if I can find any more last minute clothes because they're about to close in like an hour. And then I have to go to the bank, withdraw some more cash for this trip. And then I'm gonna come back and go to sleep because I'm gonna be tired. But I'll probably walk around with you guys. I need to get my tripod on my car, but I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. I am about to try this buffalo chicken wrap I got from Publix this morning before me and Laura slept. And I never ate it. I forgot I bought it. And then I bought pasta. I see the potential. I just don't want anything to do with that. I'm good. I'll talk to you guys later. I didn't like that. The cake that I forgot to try, so we're gonna try that right now. But,
bro, that camera is expensive now.
I looked it up. It's $700 now, just for the camera.
I seen it 900. We.
You feel it.
Trying to see you lick it, girl. Trying to see you lick it, eat it, suck it. Where'd you get that from again? She look good.
I'm trying to think of what it tastes like.
I'm not taking my time.
Oh.
Like, what it tastes like? So if red velvet tastes like chocolate, that tastes like what, vanilla?
Yeah. Peace sign, we. Good morning, y'all. I just woke up. I am about to go take a shower. Hey, y'all. I just finished taking a shower. I've been trying to keep my hair in a bun, but it keeps I kind of did these a little bit farther back, so now the bun's like in the middle of my head and falling backwards, and it's too big to like stay up. So I'm about to brush my teeth and then do my face a little bit.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry.
Okay, y'all. Short period. But yeah, here. We're about to board in like 10 minutes, and I just walked out to find some food because I'm hungry. I want something quick, like that's not gonna take long.
By the beach like Odell. No, I'm on my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is the Chanel. Will you be my leading?
Finally fucking here. I put my hair up because I just get on my nerves. Why is it not going down? Oh, that's good. Hold on. There we go. We're here. We're missing one. Okay.
Yeah, we done touched
I
down.
can't
I was
wait for
trying to
this
get
trip.
this.
I done seen too many people that look like they're fun.
And we're running out.
I think my thing is broken. Hey, bro, looks so dark. They do. They do. Where the front door at? Ah. Oh. Oh, sorry, my fault. You had to press the counter thing. There we go. Oh, okay. This is Ronika room. Let me push the bed. Same thing. Bro. Where's your bed? Mine, I didn't even see it yet. It's not on this side? It's probably on this side. It looks at the pool, so it's on this side.
Oh, the
Yeah,
bathroom is so nice.
It's a patio. Oh, yeah, right here. That's my room. It's my room. Why you put your bag in here?
You said first come, first serve.
Not this one though.
For the bathroom.
There's another queen somewhere.
Somewhere?
Yeah.
Alright. I'm like, hold on, this must be the master bedroom.
Yeah. I'm like, hold on, what bag's in here? Hey, they ain't mine. Thank you, sweetie. This is
This is a nice room. We can how do you think this hole?
we could play hide and seek. This is a laundry room. Tasia's room. Bathroom. Loralis's room. Janaya, where your room? Oh, I'm like, what the?
Right here.
Right here.
You see this?
Oh, okay. I thought this was Loralis in here. And then this Loralis room.
Yes, this shooting may stop. I think it is.
Go, Frank, go.
I do love that bathroom. It's nice.
It looks like it got a. No, that's in all the bathroom.
So we're doing the game night tonight? Yeah, about games? I brought the 6 no. Okay, perfect. This is gonna be going down in the morning?
The silence.
Oh, y'all recording?
Right. Hey y'all. Look at the eyebrows. Period.
I always forget that it's recording. Yeah. I don't think I showed y'all the car, but here it is. we do. Look, I see you with that camera. No, for real. Let me put this away. Good store. Bombay.
Like they got more stuff.
They do, for sure they have more stuff.
Let's find a Don Julio one.
Oh, y'all ever had this?
Nah, this one be so good.
This one? Yeah, we could.
Oh, okay.
We got Don Julio one.
Do we grab it ourselves? It's on 1%. We at McDonald's.
Oh no.
Ew.
We're about to go in the pool, y'all.
Hello guys, my name is Renika. We're in Aruba, and yeah, we're waiting for the girls to get changed. I'm happy to be here. My girl birthday. We're gonna be on a yacht. Shake it out. Wait, what?
I can't wait for it.
Let me.
I need to fix the thing.
Yeah. She's cooking pasta. She's cooking dinner for us. We gotta be out of here by 8:15 the latest. That's our first excursion tomorrow. It's day 1. Come say hey to the vlog. Hi. Introduce yourself. Hey.
Oh, sorry guys, my bad. This is Aruba 2025.
Introduce yourself.
Hey, so this is Janaya.
You know, my girl gotta get it in the kitchen for us. You're so focused.
So focused.
The song.
Oh, Haitian music.
She does.
Is it on?
Yo, we went grocery shopping today.
I forgot it was recorded. Where the onion at?
We're doing our first excursion tomorrow. We're going to a water park.
I can't wait for them to land and like chill.
Prepare to be sick of us.
Everyone's good. Okay, last sex position juice. Last
It was her.
last one turn to the shower. Last one.
We get in the pool yet. Look at the bottle.
I knew that person was going to finish. Oh, she's out now. Let's take another shot.
Baddie shot o'clock. Baddie shot o'clock. Oh, the music stopped because I'm live. Somebody got to connect to the speaker.
We're done.
Say hey.
What's up, y'all?
Yes.
Oh! Was it the speaker? No way. Is it my speaker or my phone?
Y'all put it in rice.
Oh my gosh.
We haven't looked for rice.
Birthday
It's in there.
I don't want to get my hair wet. You're already getting your hair wet. But it's curls.
Goodbye, Tasia. Me tonight.
It's better now. Wherever I get the better.
I fell way into deep. Can't think about giving it up.
You could
have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Which two did you get?
Oh, pink lemonade is good. Dr. Unk, Dr. Unk, Dr. Unk.
Is Dr. Unk?
Pink lemonade. What's the name? Yeah, Jerson.
After like is. Wait, when was the last time I did something with that? No. I don't do that.
By camera.
11.
10:58.
Can I try some of that? This is your camera watching me snack on the popcorn. Don't try it.
I need lotion. I feel dry.
What?
Shot? A shower. Yeah. This is shot. Want a trip?
Yeah, whenever you done though. She thought I wasn't done though?
So yeah, whatever you done though.
You mean poster?
Because they used to have me working in the grill.
It's because the one I worked at, everybody worked there, so it was kind of fun.
Happy birthday.
As a crack fiend, mama, you always was a black queen, trying to raise
2%. 1%.
Good morning, y'all. I'm making breakfast. What? Y'all? Girl, I was cooking. Y'all had time to change. We were on the bus to go to Depom. It's just us on this big ass bus.
This is Cabana, so I'm gonna explain a little bit about the island first, okay?
Thank you. Oh my gosh, y'all, do y'all see this? Y'all, look at the flamingos. We get to see the flamingos and everything too.
This is our cabana. Very bougie. Wait.
Oh shit. I hate opening champagne bottles. They're so scary. Wait. This water. Okay, should I put some water in the plastic? Hey.
We're here for big Alyssa, you know, her 22nd birthday.
Yeah. Period. 22. Big 22. Big 22.
22, not the little one. I'm scared. I hate doing this.
My name is Darwin. Today I'm gonna be your private bartender. I'm gonna help you all the day with the drinks, okay?
I guess it was still going.
Anybody got mad?
Fat row. Okay guys, so we're eating and then we're about to chug our drinks right now. Alyssa and I'm my second drink.
I'm the one that wants to charge you.
No, bro, I'm done with my food. I'm gonna keep eating.
Yeah. No, she doesn't. You don't know the song?
How you feel?
Oh, the food. Oh, wait. Alyssa, I was sleeping with you last night. You were so soft, man. I was trying so hard to put my leg around you. You could have. She was so soft, man. Like her ass, it feels different, bro.
Y'all hear that? My ass feel different. Okay, y'all. We about to do excursions.
We're going on the slides, right? Yeah, we're going on slides. Oh. Only because the banana boat, you gotta act
Booty everywhere.
Oh, you like the strawberry shit?
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
Oh, it's a basketball? I didn't even see that.
Yes, bro, we got fish like 3 times.
Wait. I want to take a shot. Hold this. Can I take a shot?
Someone has to hold the camera.
Take a shot. She's gonna take a basketball.
Period.
Oh, yeah. I had to do that real quick.
I had to show him something.
I had to show him something real quick.
Hi to our new friend. I'm trying to take pictures of the fish.
No pictures, and there were big fish too. Yeah. I'm over here taking pictures of myself.
Oh, so.
Actually, should we just open the cup and go
We went on a water slide also. For coming on this trip because I just did something I never did before.
Oh, fact, you never snorkeled? I never snorkeled either.
I've never been on this time.
I didn't do everything, but I had a blast, bitch. I definitely had a blast.
Even though the salt
on that shit was nasty.
We're about to go on the speedboat.
And then
It'll be my first time, so.
banana boat. I really like this hairstyle on me. Like, this shit is eating. Like, what are you talking about?
I'm a 5 little.
Yeah, 5? I'm a cool little 5. Yeah, I'm a cool little 5.
5, yeah.
5?
I'm gonna get some more.
What's your one?
I'm like a 5.
Buckets, okay.
Always.
She a real hooper. Since TCA days. Everyone's looking at the turtles. Oh my gosh. What?
Oh, so why everybody else
What did you just say? $20 per person? Oh, okay. I was about to say.
I thought this was all inclusive. Wait. Where your phone at?
I got it.
You're so cute.
Why don't they get the ski mask up there watching us? Up there at the stairs?
All those there. Okay, ready?
This is way
You don't know what that means. That's our new friend. Say hi to my vlog. We haven't used our stairs because there's crabs on them. This how that boat sank in that one TikTok. Chill out. It was just like that.
Oh, y'all have fun.
Y'all, we're the last motherfuckers on the island.
Yeah.
So we get the boat to ourselves.
Today was a day. I know. How y'all feel?
Good.
Okay. Your airdrop ain't come through. I sent you a text message. Did you get it? I got you. All right. We also met them on the flight, actually.
Right here in the hood, but I'm right here in the hood. Also when niggas say something I would. Pulling up outside magic. Wonder what I owe in taxis. Call your friends and ask how they're doing. I'm cool. Everybody got their own life and their own problems. This life's too short for grudges. Call me. Y'all know every trip, AJB on the lips. Ever cross your mind. That shit could wet me. I might get that get back even if I get like trust me. Okay, y'all. I'm on 10. I don't know if they're done. I'm about to go out there. But I'm also about to make a Celtic shot o'clock. We haven't drank today. Like, I need to wake up, so it's about to be shot o'clock. I think the Dawn has been in the freezer since we got here, so it's been chilling for almost 3 days. Donnie is in the freezer. My buddy. Tap the bottle. Tap it. Oh, you look cute like that. It's real cute. Thank you. Period. So cute. Right? Stop. Stop. Tap it. Okay, period. I'm going to let para confirmar maquiagem na cara de Naya. Oh my gosh.
We're about to take a shot. Janaya and Tasia. We finished this day 1, night 1.
Yeah, we finished that quick. We were ready to finish that.
Real quick. Shout out to the Don. Everyone tap the bottle.
You got that?
Yeah. Who y'all think gonna be the drunkest today?
Other stuff.
Fast. Alyssa. Alyssa for sure. Okay. Everyone say you're gonna be the drunkest bitch. What do you think you're gonna be the drunkest?
Alyssa. Why I hear my name so
Who do you think? Wait. Who do you think you're gonna be the drunkest?
Tasia.
That's what I said. I said you were Tasia.
It's always me.
I don't think so.
Tomorrow's the last day.
You have a bottle. If anything, I'll say just get another can.
Rose chocolate. Yeah. Okay. It's just look.
Instead of going, you know, it's making me moan instead. Like,
You might need to get that checked. I heard that one before.
you might need to get that checked. Are you on a shot too, or are you on a shot?
I'm still recording. I believe I forgot the camera. Y'all forgot the camera.
I get the brunch. It was a 10 out of 10. I'm not gonna lie.
It was very good.
Wait, come here.
But I'll be back with y'all because I don't have the camera, so I'm gonna vlog on the second phone. I think I put it in the first. That hurts.
The water's so nice.
I know. That's before. Okay, guys, about to take off.
He's just a fucking buddy.
I left y'all at home. We haven't talked in so long. I'm eating
Let me tell
ramen.
you guys, some of this is weird.
And they're talking.
So it's like, it's a relationship. Just telling me, like, you know.
Yeah.
But that's not.
That's the dumbest shit I've ever heard.
Exactly. I don't think it's recording, but hey, y'all. We're about to take their pictures. We're
We taking a little photo shoot. I'm so drunk right now. We're on can. Wow. I am. Your fucking camera always dead. It's on 8%. Damn. Hi. I know it's not on me. I'm recording me. Huh?
Bottom right of the screen, click it. It'll rotate. No, it's gonna close. Bottom right of the screen. Like, click the button. Look at the screen. Bottom right. Now look up onto the screen where the faces are, right?
Mm-hmm.
Bottom right of
Oh,
the screen.
like with the screen. Why you didn't say touch the screen? You should have just said touch the screen, like, and go down.
Is that not what I'm saying, though?
No, I mean, I'm thinking you're talking about like the bottom half of this. There's buttons and shit. It's okay. I'm thinking that I gotta rotate this back button or something.
I know you're not doing
Bro, I didn't get that on camera. It's pointing the other way though. Oh, the camera. Oh, okay. If I just flip it like this way.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat something after I smoke.
Oh, that's all it does. This is cool. I'm trying to get food up. He's like, what the fuck?
Give me that sweet type of love. Say hi to the vlog, y'all. How y'all feel?
I feel drunk, but
I'm definitely drunk.
like we said, Taja's gonna be the drunkest.
Yeah, she lost. Boo! Everyone boo her! Boo! She twerking. No, for real. She having her time.
Taja just munching down on that.
Wait, what you cooking?
It's gonna be a minute.
Give me a sweet type of love. Aww.
Eating it, I don't hear it.
Nana boo boo. Sucks for you. Ooh. I'm ready to heat mine up. Oh, I didn't take my shots.
You want to take another one?
Another one.
It's crazy.
I never took the first one.
I'm already flipping.
Hey, I'm going today without me back from around the way. Sounds like hey, try good. But hold on, I see. We should start a band.
Y'all, I fucked the food up.
And then.
How many? Is it like one of each?
Yeah, I made it, by the way.
That's all you got?
I made it, and this is all they gave me.
Did you see how big your relish plate is? Look at that's fucked up. You be starving yourself.
A dessert.
And you know when food order, you gotta go at it.
That's why I never know. That's why I didn't notice.
It is crazy.
I just got the roll with Timmy. I got Timmy, bitches. I'm in rotation. I couldn't wash it, do I still?
As you guys know, I am a proud Uber member, and I love savings on my Uber rides. Now,
Something off of
This shit is good with the Parmesan.
Yup.
How much left you got?
Darling, it's better. Hell, I'm like a 7 out of 10. What y'all is?
I'm a 9 out of 10.
11.
Oh my god, my chocolate keeps falling on the floor. This is the best part.
You're like a little kid.
This is the best part.
Anyway, I'm like a 6, 7.
If you know, you know. I'm about to take
This
a
is dark
shot.
chocolate.
I need to be more lit. Like, it's my trip.
I love you. I'm taking the shot. You should have got. So I can be at 10.
You at
You're not 10?
I'm at 9.
plus 2.
Are you gonna stay up or you gonna take me back?
They put a bitch like, what
What the fuck? A, B, C, D, F, G.
A, B, C.
The C girl.
Wait. D.
I had recorder. I had
hot cross buns.
The hot cross buns.
If you know, you know. What's out of here? Do. Yeah.
I was taking a nap after this. I'll talk to you in a little bit. I'm gonna take a shower. 12:27, 12:30 a.m. and we're now leaving out. And my camera light. I'll be right back, y'all. Let me put this.
But y'all know we about to have a time. But we in Aruba. Let's look at Tasia.
Yeah.
Oh, they're taking shots, so.
Shots.
We're at Liz. Period. I don't know how to like put her camera like, you know, so I gotta. We about to head out. First night out. We was off last night, but we overslept.
Let's go, y'all boys. Has anyone seen the other set of keys? Huh? All ready, y'all boys?
Okay.
We're riding scooters, guys. Shit, low-key. Oh my gosh. Where's Janaya at? She mad? Huh? You think she's mad? That's where Janaya at. Moonbus is closed, so we're riding scooters to South Beach. Woo-hoo! Woo, 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 woo. Okay, guys, Fat Tuesday. Fat Tuesday was that. It is 2:45 in the morning.
I'm such a I'm a 10. I'm a 10 right now. Who the fuck told me to put gun video in this? Who the fuck told me to do that?
I'm in Aruba.
I'm happy we woke up and came out. If Janaya ain't called that chat, day 2 would have been great.
Me and Janaya was the first one up and ready.
Yeah.
No, she was in the bathroom doing her makeup. Oh shit.
My camera is in the bag. We lit. We happy.
Don't move too much in this elevator. We're all sweaty.
Yes.
Guys, we're about to jump in the pool.
Y'all get this hot t-shirt.
Y'all going in the pool just like this.
I fell riding the scooter. I don't know if you can see the scar. We're eating. I'm eating crabs.
mine too. My left one.
He came in my ear. He was like, "You so fast."
Oh, damn.
Bye, all y'all.
Why are we all moving too? Please spin the camera. What happened yesterday? That was yesterday? No way, that was yesterday.
That was yesterday.
That was yesterday or 2 days ago?
That was yesterday.
What the fuck?
Good morning, vlog. It is Sunday morning. Praise the Lord that we are all able to be here today.
I don't see anything wrong in out God's praise. Every year we got together every Wednesday night. Hallelujah with the new melody.
The career student, some people graduate, but we still just Jesus. Okay, look up now, they just stole Joe.
Where's the my makeup in the back? You do it like dirt. Perfume soon. Windows like sprayed up.
Start moving, and right now we're gonna start heading direction to the north of the island, direction to the California.
It's our new friend, y'all. Yes. I'm ready to go to the bar. Y'all tripping. The lighting is so cute. But I get on my I feel great. I'm like, I still gotta finish this water. I finished this like my third or fourth drink. And I got water. Huh? The bartender? I've never gotten any food here. I'm like, I'm down to we're not getting food, we're going straight to the steakhouse. I mean, what? It's my birthday trip. I ain't never heard nobody put them to the microwave. Oh, you guys are so kind. Yo, shut up.
Is that McDonald's?
That's Aruba for you. Next thing you know, we're in the desert.
McDonald's.
Y'all look at McDesserts. This is so cute. It's so cute. I've already finished cleaning my room and taking everything out the room. It's in front of the door. Hey vlog with Ari. Haven't talked to you guys at all today. I haven't talked to you guys since Aruba. But this is the last part of my birthday. Why are you over there? Okay, there you go.
It's very.
Different hair colors in our
Alright.
It's perfect too. Say hi to the vlog, y'all. It's still there? Yeah. Hey. Oh my god. Hey. You look so cute. My little buns are falling. Say hi to the vlog, y'all.
Hey. Alyssa, 22nd birthday.
Who wants the camera?
Hey, I'm back. Janaya, you're back.
I'm back, we back. Fucking able. Oh, hey.
It has an hour. It only has like an hour left to film, y'all. So gotta make it count. Gotta make it count. You gotta wait.
We in Miami. Downtown. Shake your ass, girl. Hey.
22.
Say hey.
Wait till the boat's anchored.
But this is Kelly K.
Hey y'all, how y'all doing?
This is Janaya.
I love Kelly. I love you way more. Alyssa. Yeah, this bitch thinks she loves me.
I love you. I love her way more than she loves me. That's a motherfucking lie.
Please.
On the background is so cute. I'll fix my forehead.
Pretty fucking big.
Girl, stop. At the films.
How excited do you feel?
I can find no love. Then we met again at six. Yeah, start on your shoulder. Lean on. Staying on. Speaking on here, I had said when I love my piece. I'm sorry when I fuck, I leave my grease on. We at home, playing home. She heard I'm a snot side nigga over there. I'm a snot sneaky nigga over there. Everybody telling me she ain't shit, nigga I ain't shit either. So what's wrong with turning over to a transition? Got the car, he ain't in the cool with me, I don't want nobody. That home inside my heart. Watch for my friends, somebody come on for my friends. Not push me fully.
Yeah, a little bit of.
You real, do you fake? Cause I can't tell you in the boat. Cause I ain't broken what she said at home. But bitch, I'm really hard to talk on niggas. How you let them cheat and take them back? Must be your only nigga. I'm on niggas. You my daddy, bitch, I'm big, mom. They one-on-one, don't know why she so nervous. Fuck with these whole thing, cause
What time? What time?
What's up? What's up? Don't do that. Them niggas is late. I'm never late. I'm where it's at. Hey.
I did not know you were Happy
Whose birthday it is?
Nothing. Mine.
Happy birthday, hey, yo. What the fuck? Where's the shot at? Hold on, get her a shot. Hold on, bro, hold on. Where you taking a shot? Hold on, go ahead.
This is big. I need a cup.
Oh my God, the bottle. Come on, open your mouth. Yes, sir. Oh, happy birthday, yeah.
I got better than yesterday. Very 22. How do you feel about turning 22? Okay, but look how much you accomplished. How much did you accomplish? If you look at yourself back 5 years ago, so give yourself some grace. It's a new year. God bless. Show some grace because you came such a long way. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's why we trying to be happy about it. Yeah, just be chill. Like I think you just need to drink more, smoke more. You'll forget about it. That's the crazy part. Like I literally was like, I need to go to ABC, but I was like, I gotta come early, and we had all that time. But again, it's an
I think I do though.
Eyeballs, right? You see how they.
So you look at me and tell me for real. Okay, do it again.
I'm just tired.
Confessional, how do you feel?
Confessional, bitch, take me the fuck home. I got work tomorrow. I need to go to sleep in my bed. But I hope Alyssa enjoyed her motherfucking birthday as much as she possibly can.
I have a client tomorrow. I have to drive back
and
to
I
Orlando.
hate that. Because she should have told me she was staying at least one more day. Would have told this bitch to at least pull up to my job or something. So, whatever, man. Whatever.
Say bye.
I thought that thing ran out of. You got space, you just got to turn
You
left.
look so cute. Talk to it.
How this shit work? I didn't even see him.